Guys, I'm not actually making this kuba ndifuna trend or whatever, but no, fuck, bruh. Someone needs to say shit about Lekaka Enzekayo. Someone needs to actually speak out the Lekaka Enzekayo. Like,
yes, but I tell everything personally, but
fuck. Guys, I love those mnangcenge buhlobo ne. Andikho perfect mnaqala but andimcenga ubuhlobo la we. Ndiqoboxabana ngoku mna neothi yam la we. Yabo. Azodelete Lekaka la. People need to actually hear this, bro. No one's always because we need to fucking educate amanye amadoda alekaka because this shit keeps on happening and abantu abathethi laga. I know for a fact that I'm not azothetha fuck all mfethu. Azothetha fuck all. Fuck that shit laga. I got sisters, bro. I got sisters. Ichomi yami na uphumeza mfethu 2014 wasweleka at the hands of indoda yakhe. Twin sister yami bro nayisekho at the hands of indoda yakhe. And you expect me to keep quiet? It's a tool. It's a tool. It's a tool. Fuck. To such an extent that it got fucking physical away.
Yes.
My daughter. This is why my daughter keep getting away with the kaka ifana nalena bra because my daughter afana nani noba nathi xwaka wa 34 la we anzuthula ke mna Langa. I'm not even mentioning names. I'm not a fuck provocation. Let it be, bruh. Let it be. I don't give a fuck. Cause the man out. I do, bruh. I do. And the semenzi are influencing the to get the message across. Anso yeka lang. No, anso yeka lang. Langa sungana anso yeka tu. Anso yeka tu. Yo. Anso yeka tu. Ngumsindo lena ndokuyo bra. Delilo hlobo bra, trust me ngumsindo lona because
I know.
Do.
Hence ndizama
La. Kodwa nesenza unqande kakhulu. I'm not even going to apologize language yami la we. I'm not even going to apologize language endisebenzayo. Umnqondo lona guys. Langa ngicela vele ukhat. Sakutixela unyapha la ngiphume phandle nje phandle vele. What? Intoni langa? Because yima fethu sixelele yima langa. Langa ndimamele ana fethu. This is exactly why I'm not to get away with the kaka like because people like you are afraid to actually speak out. Langa, yes you are, brasunqanda. No mfethu. Langa khayeke bra. Langa. Langa, ndinomnandi ntombazana bra mna. No mfethu langa. I have a daughter. Langa.
Suthi langa nqondo wakho mama bethu.
Fethu.
Langa. Ndizama ukunqanda.
Unqanda ntoni bra?
Feelings.
Langa. Unqanda ntombazana fethu. Okay, wait. Ndibuza question. I'm being fucking sane, brother. Ndibuza question e1 langa. I will ask uhamba ndacela langa. I need to hear this imalanga. Langa, bele. Dimamele. No, langa. Dimamele. Ana fethu hima fethu. But someone needs to actually raise fucking awareness. Langa. How old is Langa?
We live to this shit. With awareness.
Why you yika little bit fit? Why you yika the subject? Then why you nganda Langa?
So invoke izinto.
I will fucking invoke his indo, bruh. When my back's against the fucking wall, lower. How many years the nganda lekaka inwana lekaka yeno fethu? I'm not going to stop shit, bruh.
ba ayekele gaga yakhe.
Kunini sayenza lo kaka, but has he ever fucking stopped? Long before wena umazi kwayena langa. No, Ganam, this is not even about you. This is not even about me. You've only known him for like what, 4 or 5 months? I've known him for fucking years, langa. Le kaka inondenza kodala sayenza akamameli endazoyeka namhlanje. Wayekhaba umnyango apha kayonela langa. No one said shit. No one said shit. Ndahamba loxolisa kuyonela engakhange kumenze nix. And today when I want to fucking call him out yanqanda for noni. For noni.
Fikela kuboyini ne.
Ditikiwe langa. Ditikiwe.
Yakuvumba mangibana uzofika qala ku. Wait we cross the line.
Fuck crossing the line, bruh. He's crossed the line on easy. He has fucking crossed the line on easy, bruh.
Let's go.
I'm not going anywhere.
For sure?
Yeah, positive. 100%. 105% of that for that matter. Yeah, it is. It needs to be fucking actually mentioned. Laga, do you know that it changed stuff? Laga,
yeah.
Laga.
Siya, matika, masiya.
I'm not trying to be right, but the theta inyani lena no yika theta, bra. I'm the kind of listen to me. The kaka join me go to theta inyani le ama moyika theta. I will say le kaka no yika theta nina. Emntwini next bag the theta ina phambi kwenu nandinqanda. Fuck. A change begins with nawe. Laga. I have a teenager, bro. It's about 17 years. I'm not going anywhere. So tell the guy from the how many minutes do I have? 3. Fuck. So fuck. Guys. I don't know whether you can see this. I just had a fight in one I am. If una assaulta echeria yo phambi physically, I'm not going to stand for lokaka kemanje. Yabo. Andifuna umbona uJudy phambi isandla echerini yakhe. I don't even understand some of you ladies ukuthi umjida wathi aphakamisa isandla nikhethe uhlala lokaka relationship because oh, I'm done, I also change. No. The day he starts actually getting physical with you, like that, but trust me, that is like the beginning of the worst to come, Lawe. So baphinda yake. Yabo. Eke amajita enza lekaka. There are times when the victims, I've seen it happen. I've seen it happen. Because sister I'm looking at I'm not going to actually stand for it. If I have the power, from happening, I'll fucking do it. Even if it means I have to put my life on the line for it. Fuck it. Yeah, bro. I will push off it. I'll put my fucking life on the line for it, Lawe. Again, look at that defend my tuta and abuse Lawe. It 17 May. Maybe this is the end of a friendship. Langa, don't do that. No, don't do that. Langa, please. Langa, please. Langa, please. Don't. Langa, please. He even said it. He said it. He said it. Langa. Langa. You guys are fucking hypocrites. He said it. No. Exactly, I did. But see, like, Ujwala, Mabunga blind, Laga, no boobo, Ujwala is blind, Laga, Ujwala is blinding your fucking judgment. Ujwala is blinding your fucking judgment. Who dare I take up and the abuser, the ex-yaga, what the fuck? That's what I have to pay for Lagaga. Why?